Hey there! Today I'll show you how to quickly change the aspect ratio of your images in MidJourney using the AR parameter. It's a quick trick to get that perfect fit for any platform. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you create stunning visuals. Let's jump right in. Let's briefly cover what aspect ratio is. Aspect ratio is the proportional relationship between an image's width and height. It's usually expressed as two numbers separated by a colon, like this one. For example, like 1 by 1 or 16 by 9. Now, let's get into the practical part. To adjust the aspect ratio in MidJourney, we use the AR parameter right after the prompt. So you'll want to format it like this one, right? As you can see, right here, this is where you put in or type in the prompt description for what the images you want to be generated as, and here it is. The AR parameter itself, the number of width, and the number of height. Or you could just go with the easy way and use this one instead, right over this one. See, right here in the options, over here, the image size, or if you want to go prompt style, just go with this one instead. See? All right, let's see these aspect ratios in action. I'm going to create a landscape scene and use different aspect ratios so you can see how each one changes the look of the same scene. So let's start with a square or 1 by 1. I'll put in my prompt for, let's say, a mountain landscape and add over here 1 by 1 to keep it square. This is great for balanced images and social media posts. So here it is. All right. So you can see right here, here's the prompt description. Right next to it is the parameter itself, 1 by 1. And now the prompt is off. Now we just wait a moment to see our image right over here in square size. So this should take a bit while, but it won't take that long. Just wait for a bit. As usual, right here in MidJourney, it might take like a couple of seconds. Just be patient for a while. There we go. All right. So you can see here, see? Here's our 1 by 1 image. Let's take a look at each one of them. As you can see, everything is centered and symmetrical. See? Beautiful, isn't it? So it's perfect for a social media grid. See? All the colors and everything. Stunning, huh? Next, let's go with the widescreen look using 16 by 9. This ratio will give us a cinematic view, ideal for banners or presentations. I'll add the parameter of 16 by 9 to the same landscape prompt. Right over here. Here we go. As you can see, still the same prompt description, now with a different parameter right over here. And then off it goes. So we'll see a much wider perspective this time. So if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. All right, so the process might be done in a moment. So it'll take a few seconds for the image generation to finish. So just wait a bit while. And then there we go. So you can really see that cinematic sweeping feel right here, going through each image right here. See? Perfect for a website header or something where you want a wide view. Pretty cool. See? Now let's flip it for mobile. I'll set it to 1916. a vertical ratio that's very perfect for stories or foam backgrounds. Same prompt, just adding 9 by 16. Right over here. See? There we go. And then send. Now, this one should come out much taller, capturing more of the height in the scene. That's right over here. See? As you can see, once I send, the ratio is now much different, much taller than this one. Yep, it's flipped around this time. And as you can see, right over here, and awesome. So, see how this vertical format brings out the sky and height in the mountains? See? Stunning, actually. Actually great for mobile display. See the difference? Finally, let's try 4 by 3 for a more classic look. This ratio is slightly wider than it is tall that is. Think of traditional photo frames. Now I'll add this kind of parameter this time in the same prompt right over here. And now I'm going to send it right now. So this should give us that timeless classic look with a balanced view. Once again, this process might take a bit while, but not to worry for MidJourney. This should take a couple of seconds to get things through with the results. And then there we go. So, as you can see, a nicely framed look, almost like an old photograph, just by this size that is. So, it's great for a framed shot or traditional style post. See? And that's it. Aspect ratios with the AR parameter make customizing images in MidJourney very easy. See you next time, everybody.